in connection with dis street solar lights dem, wetin me get for talk and tell pipo dem, the public and Sierra Leone as a whole, me dis I no go say na negligence, because pipo dem dey neglect the thing, na irresponsibility. Na not responsible for their affairs, for the job given to them for do. Because if dem give you job, you dey do, you na administrator, thing wey concern government and pipo dem wey na beneficial thing to them. If the past government dem install anything here, I know say whatever might be the case, na for the nation, na for the country as a whole, not for individual. Either the one wey we no put am, but na for the country, we wey dey na the country. For let we go get light, let we stop for cry for light. I feel say if not to irresponsibility, the one dem wey govern, wey dey na the institution of them public solar lights dem are, then they see say the thing dey go off. Why not dem no go take the constraint for help the nation, the people, the country, for let we dey get clear light, repair and main ten ance dem solar light here, because most of the problem na batteries there. I no know if engineer nana dey wey dey do the work wey sabi fix them battery dey or main ten ance the thing there.
Actually, in respect of this solar light, now a very nice initiative and very good thing for the peaceful Sierra Leoneans now this country. And it can out say some parts of the solar, now the other part of the community, we go to certain streets them, you see all the solar light they in mood, all they in functionable. Some certain areas then they see the solar ends so you know the light. But some don't contribute factors towards this. I just feel saying a poor maintenance or sometimes not the two proper monitoring. And if they go to the extent some of the battery then they thief them. I they ask proper government for let them put more pressure for monitor the solar light them and try for do proper maintenance. We are in a team go the way they monitor the solar. So this can be concern me a peaceful citizen.
As people express dissatisfaction, but the solar street light them na the Makeni municipality and you know hide. In fact, some part na the city, not just the street light scarcity of the pole, but why the maintenance system poor. Emmanuel Samura na the talkman for the Makeni City Council be explained, but then concern ya.
Well, we're quite aware of this unfortunate situation at the municipality. And this is something we hold very dear to our heart for ensure say we restore them back to how it be there before. But unfortunately, we self-challenged as a council. We don't do the preliminaries. One, we don't get the barefoot company in Hastings for send the experts them. They don't can do evaluation of all of the street lights them. But know exactly what's wrong with the lights them. You know, that assessment report there, they don't submit them to council based on what they submit. Now that very many of them go for the replacements. It's either they don't thief the battery or they don't thief the solar panel, or in fact the charger. You get something called charger where they keep the when the sunlight on penetrates panel, they keep on doing the day and at night you switch them on. The charger don't worn out, we therefore replace them. Unfortunately again, then design of solar poles here. I think that a company from India became for erect during the past regime of the APC, and a contract will then give this particular company where they customize solar poles they use. So very many of the materials them, oil pan them, you know, not the in country unless you get for order for them okay. And based on the assessment report we receive from the barefoot company in Hastings, we talk about something really worth over 2 billion euros, you know, for change the one that we don't spoil, we don't work again, and the one that we don't thief. All amount to up to about 2 billion euros. We have a very huge challenge for we as a council, because we entire transfer from central governments, you know, half the 2 billion euros we talk about. So for let a council on their own finance the repairs, it will be challenged. But these reports we receive will not just hold on our own. We don't communicate to relevant authorities them, including central government and the relevant line ministries them. For let we get support. I watch the mayor also engage partners, international partners them, for see how we go able to come for maintenance some of the poles that we workable, and also replace some of the items that we lost from some of the panels them. So this now which we don't do, and we wait for get response from the people who don't meet as a council.
The two can install them we've been get an issue of getting engineer at the municipality. Instead of for they go all the way free to anything, they can't do this going back, going forth. But if we get an engineer on the ground, go help salvage the situation so quick.
Well, we get people that we then train for the do what we call routine maintenance. You know, for the clean pandemic, if not dust them or sit down pandemic, we get for whip them, you know, loose and clean them. We get people where the barefoot company go train na things. Now, the arrangement from the onset, it will get some challenge. Because one day we can install them solar poles here. The company we can install them from India, give what they call warranty. That warranty, they speak to the some form of guarantee to the government of Salon say. Anytime with them, polio, any of them get challenged for the next 1 year. Now we no more for send we engineer them for come for sort them out. So then we ready for do that day. Unfortunately, the Ebola can struck. 2014-2015. So the terrain wey dey get challenge, the people no be able to fly in country. And after that period, the way the Ebola don done now, the warranty period don elapse. So we get challenge for get engineers in country, the one wey get the expertise on them specification for can for do them. But wetin we do as a council now for send some residents dem na Makini, some young people in Makini for go train on how for handle solar poles dem and their foot coming in Hastings. The specification of this solar pole in spares dem, they no dey in country. No we know they pass you for order them for come inside country. The their foot coming in Hastings. They also give you an alternative. They say an alternative to this 2 billion loans budget for come for rehabilitate them poles here. The alternative for us change the poles then to other specification. For law buy new specification of solar poles we will work for erect. And this is a capital intensive project. Not a thing that we cancel the undertake on their own. Now central government just like the past regime been do for buy the solar poles for erecting a citizen. Now central government they handle the issue, not to cancel, not to at local council level. Now make even when they erect them pole here, they don't be in a local council there and if they force now the Ministry of Energy and be in charge of the solar poles there. Now quite later now in the starts now for devolve the solar poles there. Then give council there now. Let council them begin man the affairs of the solar poles there. So that's not the challenge with the solar pole situation. Not so like an assurance to give it for come up from the council because we don't do like I tell people initially, we don't do the preliminaries. What we need for do for let the solar poles then be fixed. We don't do them. We don't do the assessment. We don't invite experts them. They don't get expert opinion on what for be done on the solar poles then. All we need now forget either intervention from central government or development partners. So we are still like kind of with the time for meet some of the people who feel see and we will carry into aid.
How soon the people of Makeni City they anxiously wait the city of lights, but the street solar light then they off. For AM Live, Mahmoud Fofana, the report.
In connection with these street solar lights,